Hello and welcome to our ITWU channel. Today we want to introduce you to our new add-on for our signature tool, ITWU Simple Signature. Usually our solution is responsible for the generation and management of email signatures, but with the current add-on we make these signatures disappear in special cases. We are all too familiar with the problem of the artificially bloated emails, which were sent back and forth a little bit too often, mostly internally, so that it seems as if they only consist of signatures. With our new add-on, this problem is history because with a few preparations, you can now automatically delete these signatures in internal emails when sending them. These preparations include the installation of a simple configuration database on your system. For this, you will receive a database template from us, which we have saved here locally. As soon as we create a database with this template, we first have to define the directory of the server and then the configuration database. Here, the fields are all pre-filled, so we only need to uncheck these two boxes and then we can quickly move on to the important part in this configuration database, the key lists. In one of these key lists, which must be named ISS internal domains, we can specify any domain that should not receive signatures under its mails. In our case, we enter our internal domains, itwu.de and itwu.net. Here, we do exactly the same with the internal organization names in another key list, which is called ISS Internal Organizations. And by the way, the values are case insensitive. Now we are done with the installation of the configuration database, and we only have to ask our administrator to add the following entries in the nodes INI of the user's home mail server. The easiest way to find the values for these entries is to have a look at the configuration database document. But please make sure that the configuration server is listed with its canonical name. So let's take a look at Lee's mail file, which fortunately works with the mail template customized for our add-on. Here we can show you how the signature actually disappears as soon as we send an email to one of the stored domains or organizations. When we create the email, the signature calculated by ITWU Simple Signature is displayed as usual, but as soon as we click on the Send button, the signature disappears. And if we now look again in the Send folder, we also see that the email no longer contains a signature. With our new add-on for ITWU Simple Signature, you can put an end to the signature flood in your internal emails and also save disk space on your mail servers. Just contact us and we will be happy to provide you with a non-binding offer. Or do you have any questions about ITWU Simple Signature? Just give us a call or send us an email to info@itwu.de, but please include your signature.